How to set up Perfect Privacy VPN on Windows 10 via Perfect Privacy Cert Installer. Here's how to set up Perfect Privacy VPN on Windows 10 via Perfect Privacy Cert Installer at https://www.perfect-privacy.com/download/certinstaller.exe. 1. Two. You can then close this window. If you ever want to uninstall the certificate at a later point, you can do so by starting the Cert installer and clicking on Uninstall Certificate. 3. Open the Start menu, type Network and go to the Network and Sharing Center. 4. Click on Set up a new connection or network. 5. Click on Connect to a workplace. 6. Choose Use My Internet Connection, VPN. 7. Enter a perfect privacy server of your choice. You can see which servers are available on the IPsec page in the download section at https://www.perfect-privacy.com/n/customer/download/IPsec?system=Windows 10. Make sure to use the general host name of a location like amsterdam.perfect-privacy.com for the server group in Amsterdam, since the certificates will only match these host names. You can choose any destination name. Activate Remember My Credentials so you not have to enter your perfect privacy username and password for every connection. Then click on Create. 8. Click on Change Adapter Settings on the left side. 9. Right-click on the newly created connection and choose Properties. 10. Under the Security tab, set the VPN type to IKev2, choose Require Encryption for data encryption and activate Use Extensible Authentication Protocol, EAP. Click on OK to close this window. 11. Double-click on the connection or right-click on it and choose Connect/Disconnect. This will open a new window. 12. Click on the VPN connection to expand it and click Connect. 13. Enter your perfect privacy login credentials and click OK. 14. The IPsec connection should now be working. Below the VPN connection name it says Connected. 15. You can check that your VPN connection works correctly by visiting the Check IP page at https://www.perfect-privacy.com/n/test/check-ip.